and think about it. Girl, I need your love and I can't live without it. Yeah, I chase the fame and the fortune, I dream about it, fiend about it. Then you smile and say the things that keep me grounded. Yeah, keep me grounded, but support me climbing the steepest mountains. If there ever was a key to my heart, I think you found it. Your smile is my strength, my joy, the reason I'm vowing that I would stand in the rain. Take all the blame, bear all the pain, and never see you frowning. I don't know just what you see in me.
You're a scenery.
When the chips sit down, you stick with me.
Never leaving me.
You believe in me, even though you know it's been a struggle lately. But I'ma make you wait till we be the power couple that the other couples wanna double date with. From the gutter to the upper echelon, I'm moving you with me, doing 250 on the dash of the car with 2 C's. Yeah, I guess I do a dream, rather lucid, and they do come true. I got you to prove it. We grow like 2 trees. The higher we go, the deeper the root is. The sweeter the fruit is. It's still a slow dance romance to the same good music.
Face to face, no, it's a destination, not a silhouette. Paperback, teenage love, we got that original thing. The cutting canvas, chalk tailor, never gone away.